we are expected to carry out this division of these numbers in base 4 and then leave our answer in the same base. So the best approach is to convert each of these numbers into base 10, carry out the division process, and then return our answer to base 4. That will be the best practice. So let's get into the solution straight off. Let's take the first one. Take first of all 1020 in base 4. Let's take this. Now, conversion to base 10 is by expansion. So let's have the exponents on these numbers. We're going to write from the far right hand side towards the left. So let's go 0 on that, 1, 2, and of course 3. Expansion is the rule. So we convert it to base 10. And let's go. And that is going to give us, each digit will be taking 1, the first digit, multiplied by the base, which is 4, to the power of the exponent written on it, which is 3, right there. And now plus the next digit. But wait a minute, we can see 0 there. That means we're going to write 0 multiplied by a number. 0 multiplied by any number gives us a 0. So we can bypass the computation with a 0 and proceed into the next non-zero digit, which is 2. 2 multiplied by the base 4, raised to the power exponent on it, which is 1. And for the same reason as previous, we do not need to reckon with this last 0 here. So we can evaluate each of these units. And this will give us 4 to the power 3, 4 multiplying itself 3 times, and that will give us 64. 64 multiplied by 1 gives us 64. Plus 4 to the power 1 gives us 4, and 4 multiplied by 2 and gives us 8. And finally, this is going to give us 72, of course, in base 10. In a similar manner, we want to take 20 base 4 and convert to base 10. So we go also 20 base 4 should be converted to base 10, and we write the same exponents as 0 and then 1 towards the left, and we're ready for the expansion. Let's go with it. And this is going to give us the first digit, which is 2, multiplied by the base, which is 4, raised to the power 1 written on the 2. And we can, of course, bypass the calculation with the 0, because 0 multiplying any number will give us a 0. And upon evaluation, 4 to the power 1 is 4, multiplied by 2 gives us 8, also in base 10. And now the division can be done. 1020 base 4 divided by 20 base 4 is equivalent to writing the new result in base 10. So we can have, therefore, the next stage is to carry out the division. So we're saying 1020 divided by 20, both of them in base 4, is the same as 1020 is converted to 72 base 10 divided by 8 base 10. And this is going to give us 9 in base 10. And in the final stage, we're going to have to convert 9 back to the base 4. And the conversion from base 10 to any other base is by division, the long division process. So let's get into it. We want to take 9 in base 10 back to base 4. So we're going to write the 9 over there, and the base to which we want to convert, base 4, will be written on the left. Now the division process. 4 divides into 9, that will be 2 times, and there is a remainder of 1. 4 attempts to divide into 2, that's not possible. So we're going to write 0, and now that 2 will be taken as the final remainder. Now the answer will be the combination of these remainders written in reverse order, that is from the bottom to the top. And therefore, this will give us our final answer, which is 2 from the bottom to 1 on top. And this is, of course, in base 4, our final answer. Very simple. And that is actually the option B right there. Now, attached to this video are 2 quizzes to test your understanding of the content of this video. Please attempt the questions in the quizzes. And in the link, in the pinned comment, a test on number basis consisting of 30 questions to be taken in 30 minutes is provided. Please test your understanding or your mastery of the topic number basis by clicking on the link in the pinned comment to take the test. Finally, you can access the full presentation of the topic number basis by clicking on the link also provided in the pinned comment. Thank you for being part of the session and see you in my next video.